So Sam is going to go up against the hoover. He's just looking at the treat box, but yeah. Oh, he's actually getting a treat. There you go. You like that? He loves his treats. I think that was called kicking, like kill. Not sure. Hoover. He knows the word. Look at him. Even if I walk near it, look at him. He's just shaking it. Yo! It's not even on. Shut up! Bro, it's not even on. It is not even on. Look, I'm just shaking it. He hates the hoover. It's like a 2 hours worst enemy. Like, bro, it's not even on. And I'm just like, shake it, and he's on guard. He's ready to fight it. See you when it's gonna be the hoover's on. The hoover is starting. He's ready. What a noise! This is a bit what he ate.